Hi guys! In this video, we will learn how to create our first CSS file and use it. But first, we need an ID. And it could be the ID that you prefer. Just like Interjet Idea, Visual Studio Code. In my case, I will use Interjet Idea for all the course. But you can update to your ID. So, to start, we have to create a new project. And after that, we create a new file and name it style.css. It's important that you put the .css because the ID had to identify the extension to create the file that we want, in this case, the CSS file. So, we create the file and inside the style.css, write body, we add braces, and inside the braces we put this command background dash and color, and we use column, so we put the color that we prefer. There are predetermined colors, but it would be better that we use the color in hexadecimal code. We will see it after. So now we have to create an HTML file. After that, we have to configure the HTML with the code that is on the screen. So after that, inside the head, add less than, link, real, same, single quote, style sheet, single quote, href, same, quote, style.css, single quote, and greater than. So now we save all changes and we're going to the file in the folder of our system and we enter into the HTML file. When we enter, the background color has been changed, and this will be the page if we don't have the CSS file. See the difference? And that's for now. We have ended the lesson today, and I'll see you tomorrow for a new video. Have a good day.